Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Today video is about ostrich. Largest bird in the world. Ostriches are the largest living birds on Earth. They can stand up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall and weigh up to 320 pounds, 145 kilograms. Flightless birds. Despite having wings, ostriches cannot fly. Instead, their wings are used for balance and courtship displays. They are built for running, not flying. Incredible speed. Ostriches are the fastest running birds, capable of reaching speeds up to 43 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour. They can maintain a steady speed of 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour over long distances. Powerful legs. Their long, strong legs are not only for running but also for defense. A single kick from an ostrich can kill a predator like a lion or hyena. Unique toes. Ostriches are the only birds with 2 toes on each foot. This adaptation helps them run faster and more efficiently. Largest eggs. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird, weighing about 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms, and measuring 6 inches, 15 centimeters, in diameter. It takes about 40 minutes to hard-boil one. Omnivorous diet. Ostriches are omnivores, eating plants, seeds, insects, and small animals. They also swallow pebbles and sand to help grind food in their gizzard. Social birds. Ostriches live in groups called flocks, typically consisting of around 10 birds. They are highly social and communicate through vocalizations and body language. Survival adaptations. Ostriches have large eyes, about 2 inches in diameter, with excellent vision, helping them spot predators from far away. They also have a unique way of lying low and flattening their necks to the ground to avoid detection. Today, ostriches are only found natively in the wild in Africa, where they occur in a range of open arid and semi-arid habitats such as savannas and the Sahel, both north and south of the equatorial forest zone.